Hi guys, it's Marie Stick here. The test should be happening anytime now. You can see my tattoo. But it should be going off anytime. I hope you enjoy this video. Try not to film the other one. It's kind of hard to hear with the people chattering in the background. There it goes. That's the test. Enjoy the video.
Right? Raymond?
No.
Because there's no reason for that stuff. If you want to go to the coffee shop, you can't be threatening to fall and all that. Do you want to put both hands on the handrail if you want?
We didn't have much work, so I got the test today, and I'm glad I did. And that's a wrap.
See? Go on now. It's good.
Peace.